welcome back again. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to install Wells Fargo mobile app on your iPhone. So let's start. First, make sure your iPhone is connected with internet through cellular data or Wi-Fi. So let's go to App Store first. Then you can see the search, click on it. Then you can see the menu and type Wells Fargo mobile app here. You can see this by scrolling, you can see it here. Now click on it, you can see that get, tap on it, it will show pop up the install. Now tap on install, it will ask you for the App Store password. Let's give our App Store password here. My App Store password, let's sign in. It will take some time and it's done. Now you can see it's downloading here. Just wait a little bit, it's downloading. Now you can see it's downloaded. Now you can open it. That's it. Now you can use the Wells Fargo app on your iPhone. I hope you liked it. If you like it, like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon.